Hello, it's Andy. So today we are going to catch some red salmon. So it's subsistence fishing for personal use, for smoking fish or canning fish, or just freezing it. So we've got a gill net, and we're going to set it from this beach over here. Today I have Chris with me. Here he is.
Good morning.
And it is a beautiful day here. And we're in this little cove. So, all right, I'm gonna get the net all ready and we'll put it on the beach here. That's good. Try to put a little bit of a hook in it, so I'm going to go back this way. You can let go. Just let it go, Chris.
Hook the anchor or
Go ahead and drop the anchor. Over here where the corks are sunk and try to pull them up somehow. There, something's caught on them.
they were not tight. I thought we were gonna hook the anchor and
No, I don't want it tight. I wanted to put a hook in it. whatever was hindering it, I think, is up now. Okay, so we just set this gill net out, and it's right on the shore. So the idea is the fish, oh, there's a fish getting it right now. The fish come down, they like hanging close to the shore, so, and then they try to push their way through. And so we'll just keep on watching it, and when the fish hit, we'll go grab the fish. Sometimes there's sea lions and seals in here that try to take our fish before we do. But so that's how we set it. So. Beach. A little bit slow for fishing today. I've got 3 salmon so far. That's kind of cool. Just popped out on the beach. Back into the woods. Don't see him in that real tall grass. There's an eagle there too, a bunch of crows. Not another one. I'm seeing them starting to hit at the other end of the net too. So, oh, I was saying that I see one hitting at the other end of the net too. So maybe we're gonna get some. I think there's just one here.
I think so.
And we just got 2. We got some more down here, so things are looking a little bit better for us. If we can see right down there. Net is kind of poked out and bouncing. I like it when it's like this. Getting one right after another fills the fish box pretty fast. Fish box, we bleed them in that one, transfer them over to that one. Wow, big one.
That's a really big one.
This one's tangled pretty good. We'll catch you on the next one. Okay, so we just finished pulling the net. I didn't film any of it because it takes two of us to actually pull the net, and I can't hold the camera and pull the net at the same time. So we got 24 reds, 23 reds, and some chums and a few pinks. So we're going to head back to the lodge now and cut up fish for a little while. So, all right, that's gill netting, subsistence fishing the way we do it. So we will see you on the next one. Bye.